Hey guys, today I'm going to be going over crossing over or synapses between two chromosomes, two parent chromosomes. So here our parent chromosomes are listed out and they're homologous. They're the same. The dot represents the centromere, just FYI, on the chromosomes. And there's going to be a crossover event between J and K. Now when we have a homologous pair, two identical chromosomes, it doesn't matter where it crosses over. As you can see, like on the top with our green band here, that's what the normal parent is going to look like. And when its sister chromatid crosses over at while the two chromosomes are fusing in bivalent form, you can see that it follows this path, but since they're homologous pairs, it's going to have the same outcome. So we're still going to break off at this J, but we're still going to get our KHG since they're identical. So all the chromatids produced are going to be normal and viable for offspring. Okay, so what happens when we have a pericentric, or when we have an inversion between two parent chromosomes that are not the same? So these are our two parent chromosomes. As you can see, we have the same starting and the same ending. So we can line them up as we did here. Same starting, same ending. Okay, now we look in the region where they're different and they're flipped, right? So IJK, KJI. Here are the centromeres, and since the centromeres are involved in this inversion, they're pericentric, not paracentric. IN, right? So the centromere is inside of the actual inversion. So if we follow them along, I'm not going to get too into this. Obviously, this is the centromere. Basically, we get one parent that's the same, that doesn't cross over, as we see here. We get, from that same chromosome, we get one crossover at the JK, and then it loops back around and gives us our JK-LM repeat here, see? Okay, now we're going to start in the second chromosome, all the way around. We're good. Okay, so same as the parent, right? This one, same as this parent. C is the same as 2. MLKJ, IHG. Then this last one starts here since there's no more starting points on this side. We're going to go GH, boop, 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 K, back over, back around, JI, HJ. Okay, so what does that necessarily mean? Well, no viable chromatids can have repeats, and these two have repeats, so they're not viable, whereas the other two don't, so they are still viable.